only truth is breathing now, only echoes of who I am. From the shadows I was born in, from the lines I couldn't stand, there are parts I'm still discovering, things my heart can't understand. I try to heal the damage, I try to turn away. My mind was lost in spinning, my heart pulled both its ways. All the words I kept denying fell apart and let me heal. I don't know why I ever doubted you were standing near. I broke into 1,000 pieces, no return to who I was, but I see the light reflected in the cracks and shattered dust. Every scar becomes a story, every shadow finds its place. Now my voice is free of hiding, this is how it sounds today.